I love you, and I choose you every single day.
Je t'aime aujourd'hui, demain et pour toujours.
ずっとあなたを愛し続けますね. Я люблю тебя больше, чем можно выразить словами.
UTMO maze akata dia kupasa.
Te amo con...
Hi, welcome to FlexClip. Valentine's Day is coming. Are you ready to confess to the one you love? You can say I love you in multiple languages and surprise her in the sweetest way. In this video, I'll show you how to create a multilingual AI love confession video step by step using FlexClip. We'll generate the love message with Chatgpt, then create an AI muse and make her say I love you in multiple languages.
ずっとあなたを愛し続けますね.
Te amo con todo lo que soy.
Finally, we will edit the love story. Let's get started. Step 1. Write your love message. Let's start with Chatgpt and ask it to create I love you in 12 popular languages. Each language includes 2 sentences, one of them saying I love you, along with the native writing and a simple English-style pronunciation guide. And this is our love confession in different languages. Step 2. Create an AI muse. Let's go to FlexClip Image Tool and select Nano Banana Pro. Here, we upload a reference image to make the result look more realistic, and then enter this prompt. Generate a photo of this woman in Times Square, New York, with the clothing matching the environment. After that, choose the resolution, ratio, and image count. Now, choose the one you like, and let's move on to step 3. Make her say, I love you. Go to Image to Video tool inside FlexClip. We're using VO 3.1 here to get more natural talking and movement. Upload the image we just generated and enter the prompt. This person said, I love you and I choose you every single day, to the camera in English. Then choose the ratio, the video length, and click Generate. This is how you generate one language. Just repeat these steps for different languages, and we're ready for step 4. Edit your love story. Next, we drop all the clips onto the timeline and rearrange them as needed. Click on Text to add subtitles for each language. Choose a font style you like and adjust it as needed. Then go to Elements and select a suitable shape to place the country flag. In the search bar, simply type America flag and add it to the top right corner of the frame. Once everything is set, the video is ready. Just click Export and you're done.
I love you, and I choose you every single day.
Je t'aime aujourd'hui, demain et pour toujours.
ずっとあなたを愛し続けますね. Я люблю тебя больше, чем можно выразить словами.
UTMO maze akata dia kupasa.
Te amo con todo lo que soy.
Ich liebe dich von ganzem Herzen.
지금 이 순간도 앞으로의 모든 순간도 사랑해.
मैं तुमसे आज भी प्यार करता हूँ और हमेशा करता रहूँगा.
Ti amo più di quanto tu possa immaginare.
我爱你，不只是此刻，而是未来的每一天。أحبك الآن وغدا.
Now it's time to say I love you. How do you say I love you in your language? Comment below and share it with us. Before you go, I just want to say I love you, all my followers. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you get to be with the person you love. If you want to make your own confession, just use the FlexClip AI Valentine's Day templates above. Pick one, customize it, and generate your video in one click. Wait, here's a little giveaway from FlexClip. Comment your I love you down below, in your language or any way you want to say it. You'll be entered for a chance to win 520 FlexClip AI credits. Good luck! Please like and subscribe for more AI videos. See you soon!